Twitter's hook is words and Instagram is about pictures. Facebook is about faces, but today we are going to talk about a app based around audio, and that app is called Clubhouse. What's up? I'm Brandon Young. On this channel, I teach you how to make, save, and invest money. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and don't forget to hit that bell so you don't miss a beat. Now, it's safe to say during this pandemic, most of you have been connecting through video conferencing, Google Meet, Zoom, whatever have you be. Now, Clubhouse is a platform where eye contact, dressing up for interviews, and awkward walk-ins is a thing of the past. You see, the app is solely based off of conversations, so none of that awkward stuff. Now, in these specific rooms, you'll see people talking, and you have the ability to hop in and hop out of these rooms at any given time. And you have the opportunity to hop into rooms with some of your favorite artists, celebrities such as Oprah, Jay-Z, and even Kevin Hart. The other day, I was in a call with Master P himself. And these speakers may even allow you to raise your hand to contribute to the conversation that they're talking about, which is awesome. Now, what are people exactly talking about on this specific app? Now, this app does not have a specific niche, so it can be anything from book clubs, comedy performances, to financial literacy, credit repair, business, the list goes on and on, but you can practically talk about anything. The only major rule that is on there, you cannot record anything. Now, alternatively, you can start conversations with your friends, strangers, just the same concept as it was on House Party. Now, who exactly is on Clubhouse? At this very moment, not that many people are on Clubhouse, but it is slowly beginning to gain popularity. A lot of celebrities are getting on there, a lot of entrepreneurs, and they're speaking their minds. They're giving a lot of free game out there. So if you have the chance to join, I'd recommend that you do, because they're giving a lot of advice, and they're giving this advice for free. I've seen musicians from Estelle, Drake, 21 Savage, to comedians like Tiffany Haddish and Kevin Hart on there as well. And you have the opportunity to join their actual rooms and talk to them. So it's kind of crazy, to be honest. Now, Brandon, I want to get started. How do I get a Clubhouse invite? Now, to receive a Clubhouse invite, you may have to be a little patient, because each person that is on the platform is only allowed to give one invite to one specific person. But one thing that I've seen that the app has been doing is, if somebody tries to join, if somebody is already on the app, they will allow one of their friends or maybe mutual friends to allow them to bring them in without using any of their invite tokens. So just have one of your friends, once you join, have one of your friends accept you, and you should be on your way to Clubhouse. Now, Brandon, do you see this app doing well? Because I don't know. I don't know how long this app is going to be around for. Well, to be quite honest, I love the concept. It makes sense. You get to speak to celebrities. You get to be in those conversations and talk to people. So it's a very good concept, but we already know that social media giant named Facebook is probably going to figure a way out on how to integrate it into Facebook and Instagram, because they are a social media monopoly. So I feel like sooner or later, they're going to figure out a way to copy the idea and integrate it into Facebook and Instagram. But like I said, we don't know. Maybe the app will stay strong, or maybe not. But it makes sense that people already use Instagram and Facebook. So if they figure out a way to integrate it into those systems, then that app might be obsolete like the other ones. But for the time being, I do highly recommend that you join this app, because there are so much free game out there. There's people talking about entrepreneurship, investing, and one of those people is me. So if you want to get some free game, make sure you join Clubhouse, join in my room, so I can, we could talk about entrepreneurship, real estate, all that. But they do have other entrepreneurs, Mark Cuban, Damon John. A lot of people are on there just giving free advice, answering your questions. And a lot of the times is like, this information is very vital information that you may have to go to an attorney and pay them $7,500 for an hour, and you're getting this information for free. So make sure you leverage this platform, try to join some rooms that a lot of the entrepreneurs are in, speak to them, ask your questions, get as much information as you can, because we don't know how long this is going to be around for. We don't know how long they're going to be giving this information out for free. Very excited for this app. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like. Go subscribe to the channel for more content like this one. I'm Brandon Young. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.